If I were to take a guess, I would say that this path behind me is the one that leads to where people are living, just because the buildings on this side are not very well decorated. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. How are you? Can I ask you a question?
Yes, please.
So you have a lot of very old books here in English. Do people come here and buy the books?
Yes.
Is it pretty good business?
Yes.
Just
Actually,
curious.
books mostly for the foreigners.
Oh, really?
Because local people are not highly educated here.
Yeah, they can't
are
read the
not,
English,
They are
right?
not having intense in reading books. They mostly like mobiles or TVs.
I mean, me too. You know?
You don't like books?
I mean, I'm mostly, I'm addicted to like the TikTok and Instagram and stuff like that.
That's the same problem everywhere.
Yeah.
But book is, I think, best food if you eat.
The one time I read a book is when I'm on an airplane.
Ah.
Yeah.
Which
Because
one? Which one you read?
Recently I read, it was a book about how to like motivate yourself.
That's good.
Yeah, self-help.
That book needed to you.
Yeah, maybe. Are you making fun of me? I think this guy's making fun of me. Oh no.
Because you are not reading, you also addict with this. So this kind of books affect
Okay.
you.
So you enjoy reading books.
And this book's for you, Atomic Habit.
What is that?
This
Oh,
book's-
yeah.
This
Oh,
is the
actually,
beautiful. This both books is good.
this is the book that I read on
Oh,
in the airplane.
It's
Yeah.
good book also.
Yeah.
I know.
You read this book?
Long time.
Oh, really? Okay.
You're having second book also. Everything is fine.
Yeah, I didn't read this one.
Yeah.
Is it good?
It's okay.
It's okay. This
But
one's better.
This is best.
Atomic Habits, huh?
This book's telling you how we can make our laziness go out and how
Atomic
to
Habits.
build up ourselves with beautiful in way,
Yeah.
How we
yeah.
change our habits or curiosities or like that. So this is
Yeah. So I like this kind of book.
Yeah.
Self-help. Because on the airplane there's no Wi-Fi.
So this
So
is
no
easy.
TikTok, no Instagram.
We should have to close Wi-Fi everywhere.
Oh no, I don't.
People
No,
can
no,
read
no, I
lot,
don't think so. No. Maybe that's good for you, but not for me. Yeah. Also, this book we read this in
Family words?
in high school in
Yes,
America.
this is
Yeah.
kind of
We often read
You
this.
from US?
From US. Oh, this too. We read this
84.
1984. Yeah. In school, we must read this book.
So you're saying you're not reading books? You read a lot.
In school. Yeah. Not voluntarily. Compulsory.
Maybe this book can help you.
I've seen this book in the airports too.
Art of Spending
money. Yeah. I
Maybe
don't know.
this book can help you a lot.
This guy's very famous, right?
Yeah, he's
Dostoevsky. Yeah.
It's good books.
I've seen this movie, The Hobbit.
Yeah, Lord of the Rings.
Lord of the Rings. Yeah. Have you read the books for Lord of the Rings?
I love books. Book is my book.
You read?
Yes.
Really? Okay. So you read all of these?
All of this.
This is famous too, Murakami.
Somebody like him, somebody.
Mm.
It's kind of philosophers who can telling the stories in their own way. So
Yeah. Yeah.
some people ignore her. And some people,
These are like books about India.
yeah.
Oh, okay.
This is about the best epic books that we have it. Ramayana.
Okay.
In mythologies.
Oh, okay. Like Hindu stuff.
Hindu stuff.
Okay. This is a good book.
Harry Potter.
Harry Potter.
Everybody's read.
I like Harry Potter.
But this is best book about it. White Tiger.
White Tiger. Is it also
This is
epics?
No. This book's telling you about how the India's behaving themselves. Like, this book's showing about Indian way of life in village,
Oh.
culture, customs, religions,
That's actually really
caste system. So this is beautiful book to understand India in
okay.
the better way.
2008.
Yeah, Booker Prize. It's beautiful written book. This movie also in Netflix.
I see.
Book always best. Huh? Oh, why I killed Gandhi?
Nice. Only English, right? So I have a question. The thing I'm interested in is I want to find the place where normal people living inside the fort. Everywhere. So here are these already homes? So these are
My house upstairs,
oh, here.
shop downstairs.
Oh, so most people living here, they live and then they also have a shop.
Some are.
Some people only live.
Yeah.
Really? Okay.
Depend on the place. If you have good place for the shopping, for the open shops or like that, yes,
Right.
people do it. Otherwise, they rent it.
Oh, okay. I see.
People don't want to make business, they rent it.
And the people living here, what kind of work do they do?
Some are belongs to the tourism. Many people getting the jobs from government, like private jobs also.
I see.
Some people have hotels or like that.
Is the rent here more expensive than? Yeah, it must be, right? So people live here, they're rich. Like, you're a rich guy.
I is from heart.
Rich from the heart. Okay. I
As
see.
the money I'm not because it's my own property.
Yeah, sure. You have so many books.
I have books, I have antiques inside, I have magnets, postcards, I have many.
I see.
So
Okay.
for foods, we
Thank you
get
for everything. Yeah.
If you need anything, my people.
Sure. I'll come back
वो
around.
भाई मिल गया फिर से
Have a good day, my friend.
My name
आ जाओ
Rawal.
दोस्त के लिए
Hello.
हेलो आ जाओ
I don't know what people are saying often, so I'm not sure if they want to be on camera or if they don't. Yeah, a lot of English books. Like even, we have something from Salman Rushdie here. Game of Thrones, Dune, Sapiens, A Brief History of Mankind. A lot of famous English books. Hello. And so apparently this is the place where people live, which I guess that makes sense. Because we've kind of come to an area where the houses aren't exactly kind of cleaned up and maintained for tourists. And people are hanging out their laundry out here. The cow just licked me. Ooh. Okay. Sorry, brother. Let's move on. Big, wet, sloppy cow tongue on my arm. Oof. My arm is really wet now. It is what it is. Wow, look at this. So we've definitely reached the area where people actually live. Finally. And there's nobody here. I thought there was gonna be more people to kind of like talk to and maybe interview. So eventually I want to, if it's possible, I would like to look inside somebody's home. Do you think they'll let me do that or will it be difficult?
How much time it will take?
Maybe like 5 minutes.
You
Not
can-
long. Okay. So this is the home. This is the home. About to enter a home in Jaisalmer Fort.